Experiencing issues with Cricket Wireless Quick Pay? Payment failures often stem from app glitches, incorrect card details, or network problems. First, ensure the Cricket Wireless app is updated to the latest version, 8.2 or later. Clear the app's cache and restart your device. Verify that your billing address matches the card on file and that your card security code, CVV, is entered correctly. A stable internet connection is crucial. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If problems persist, contact your bank to ensure Cricket's merchant ID isn't blocked. QuickPay relies on integration with payment gateways, so temporary outages do occur, especially during peak times like bill payment deadlines. Remember that payments typically add funds to your account instantly. Offline mode can be used with pre-saved payments in areas of spotty service. For advanced solutions, when basic troubleshooting fails, consider alternative payment methods and upcoming trends in Cricket Quick Pay. Try using the Cricket Wireless website instead of the mobile app for more reliable payments. Mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay often provide smoother experiences with enhanced security. Look for AI-driven assistance within the Cricket app, designed to predict and prevent payment issues before they occur. Cricket is moving towards greater integration with digital payment methods, including potential cryptocurrency options. Future developments will leverage 5G and blockchain technologies for seamless, secure transactions. Stay informed on app updates as Cricket invests in tech upgrades to reduce payment errors. Always keep your payment information secure from cyber threats. These advancements aim to make Quick Pay more reliable and user-friendly in the coming years.